present morning. It's your English teacher at Shivaji Performing Institution. Welcome to all the agriculture class. Students, the class is for class 9 SSC board, and today I am before you with English language portion and the topic that is running transformation. So if we talk about transformation, we have completed remove to and use to. This one is completed, and we have also completed interchange of degree of comparison. Fine. So today we will start the new one. Changement of sentences. How will we change from affirmative to negative? How can we change from assertive to interrogative? So these types of the sentences we will do. And transformation portion, we have also completed active and passive voice in this chapter. And in active and passive voice, we just came to know many of the sentences, just like all the types of the sentences and all the tenses. We have completed this degree of comparison. And if we talk about the interchange of affirmative and negative sentence, interchange of affirmative and negative. Interchange of affirmative and negative. The first sentence is, I am writing for you. She is the worthiest person in the earth. The first sentence that I am writing over here. Suppose that you just want to write, you are sometimes foolish. You are sometimes foolish. Okay, so this one is a assertive sentence or affirmative sentence, and you have to just change this sentence into negative. So whenever the sentence is in positive form, it means not word is not used in the sentence, you have to use not word here. So you have to write like this, and you have to use not here. See, you are sometimes foolish. So you are not, and sometimes will be converted. Sometimes it means you have to use here always, but this is the opposite of this one. And what is the opposite of this one? Foolish, wise. Okay, so you are not always wise. You are not always wise. This is this one is affirmative and this one is negative. Next one, he tried every plan. He tried every plan. Okay, so this is one is affirmative, you have to change into negative. So how we tried? Tried, you have to just write the you have to write the opposite of this one. So opposite of this one is he left. He tried every plan, he left. And this one is written in affirmative form, so you have to use non-word here. He left no plan. He left no plan untried. He left no plan untried. He left no plan untried. Right? This one is the change of from affirmative and negative sentences. Let's see one more sentence for you. Suppose that only Sneha could do this task. Only Sneha could do this. Only Sneha could do this task. Okay. So whenever this one comes, only, it will be converted into none. None and but. Whenever only come, you have to change into none but. None but Sneha. None but Sneha could do this task. None but Sneha could do this task. Okay. Now next sentence. As soon as we reach the station, as soon as we reach the station, as soon as we reach the station, the train came in. The train came in. As soon as we reach the station, the train came in. So whenever as soon as word come, you have to convert it into no sooner. You have to convert it into no sooner. No sooner, and whenever no sooner is used, you have to use did oblique than. It means no sooner always carry did. No sooner did we, no sooner did we, and whenever did is used, we have to use the first form of the method. No sooner did we reach the station. No sooner did we reach the station, no sooner did we reach the station than the train came. Than the train came. No sooner did we reach the station than the train came. Fine. So these are your changement of affirmative to negative sentence. Affirmative to negative sentence. Now let's see interchange of interrogative possessive. Interchange of affirmative to interrogative. Affirmative to interrogative. Okay. So affirmative sentence, which type of the sentence affirmative? A dishonest man is not respected. It's the affirmative sentence. A dishonest man is not respected. A dishonest man is not respected. This affirmative sentence, you have to change this sentence into interrogative. So how will you change it? Because not word is used here, so you have to remove not from here. This is the thing. And you have to frame it as an interrogative sentence. So how can you frame it? It is started with a dishonest man is not respected. So you have to start it with helping verb. Is a dishonest man respected? Put a question mark. So the meaning of both the sentences is same. Here they are saying a dishonest man is not respected. So it's also said in the interrogative sentence. Is a dishonest man respected? Is a dishonest man respected? We should love our country. We should love our country. We should love our country. Okay, this is the affirmative sentence. Now change. Should we not love our country? Should we not love our country? Should we not love our country? Okay, so this is just a changement of affirmative to interrogative. Okay, now let's see some more example of this one. I cannot see the wind. Okay, so you have to change. Can I see the wind? Okay, next one. Everyone knows Mahatma Gandhi. Everyone knows Mahatma Gandhi. So, you can change in a simple way. Who does not know Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Everyone knows Mahatma Gandhi. It means everyone is always converted into who. And according to the tense of the sentence, we have to use the helping person, present indefinite tense. We have to use does as a helping one. You can also frame it like this: Does anyone not know Mahatma Gandhi? Does anyone not know Mahatma Gandhi? So first we have seen the changement from affirmative to negative, and then we have seen the changement of affirmative to interrogative. Fine. Now let's see one sentence. The sentence is written like this: Is it possible that the sun can rise in the west? Is it possible that the sun can? Is it possible that the sun can rise in the west? Is it possible that the sun can rise in the west? This is the interrogative sentence, and you have to change it into a statement. So you have to start with it. It is, because it is not what is not it, you have to not what is here. It is not possible that the sun can rise in the west. It's not possible that the sun can rise in the west. So student, these are your sentences in which we are changing the sentences from affirmative to negative and from affirmative to interrogative and from interrogative to affirmative. In our next video lecture class, we will learn how can we change from assertive to exclamatory, from exclamatory to assertive. Then after we will see some other changes so that your transparent motion chapter will be completed. I hope so that you have got it very well. You have done some exercises related to this chapter from your book, the book that you have purchased. Till then, thank you and have a nice day to everyone.